right, so today I'm going to be taking us through step by step of how to make a SaaS product video. There's only 3 steps. You don't need to have any prior knowledge or experience with animation. Everything will be taken care of on this one platform, including voiceover, the motion graphics, the transitions, the storyboarding, and the script. So the first step, you're going to go to app.wevi.ai. I'll include the link in the description, and then sign up for a free account, and then you'll be taken to this screen here. On the free account, you can do everything that you're seeing me do in this video. You're going to first put in your brand details. So we'll click add new brand, and then we'll put in our website URL. So we'll put claude.ai and then click extract brand. So what's happening here is it's recognizing everything about your brand, including what your brand does, all of the colors included in your brand, and then it also pulls your logo, as we could see here. So it has all of the knowledge it needs to, make a custom storyboard for our video needs. Now, step 2, we'll put in our prompt. So we'll say make a Okay, so you can go as detailed as you want with a prompt, although you don't need to be because this platform has full knowledge of your brand. You don't need to give full details. All you need to say is, you can just say, make a video for me. You can keep it as simple as that, and the quality of your video will be just as good. Nothing more than a 1 sentence, maybe 2 sentence prompt about what you want for your video. We'll click next here, and it'll generate us a custom storyboard for our video, and we'll look through it, see if everything looks good, and we'll also be able to see our script. So after reviewing this and making whatever script changes we need to, we can hit approve, and then we'll be taken to the last step. Let's check out the script. Start with a prompt, not a blank page. Claude reasons across context, code, and next steps. Think fast, build faster with Claude. All right, so Claude lets you choose Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku for each task. Give this the thumbs up and move on to the final step. So this is, I would say, the most important step right here, because this is going to show what UI is going to be used in the animation. So we'll pop up the smart guide, and we can see what the animation style is. And if you see on the top right here, we'll see that it requires one text selection. So if we put a prompt here and we say, I need you to, summarize. So we want to give an example of what a user would type. I need you to summarize my meeting notes. And if we hit capture, whatever is on our page currently is what's going to be captured in the UI animation. So we have the ability to select the text here. This is what's going to be animated. So if we click that, it'll show that we have clicked, we have selected one of one. If you wanted to, you can click other pieces of text, although it doesn't really make sense in this example. And then we'll click next. IQ, I actually want it to be an example of these, recommendations that Claude has. I'll just capture this. And then what I'm going to do is select them in order. I'm going to select these drop down options in order of how they're going to pop out. So I'll go boom, 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 boom. And then I'll hit render. So what's going to happen here is it's putting all of our scenes together into the video. And it's also, going to make us an AI voiceover with the music. When the scene turns green, it means it's done rendering.
This is Claude, always there to answer any question. If you don't know where to start, use one of Claude's presets. Think fast, build faster with Claude.
We have the AI chatbot. This is where you can make edits to your video, and you can change if you want to make edits to the full video, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. You have a lot of flexibility here, although the scene is locked, so you can't change any keyframes or complex effects on the animation. And if you don't like the animation, you can just, delete the scene from the timeline. You can also add more scenes in the timeline if you just tell the chat to do so. Then there's the edit tab where you can make manual edits to your scene. You can see all of the colors used in the animation. You could see the text that was used. As we can see here, the triclod text was used for this button. The media was used for the um, the logo, and then the controls. These are all of the options you have, like the size of the logo, the scaling, the shadow, the button shadow, whatever. And then we have the timeline here where we can change the voiceover, we can change the music. You're going to need to upgrade to Pro to access all of the music and the voiceover edits. You can change the volume, and you can change the script here. And if you don't want a voiceover at all in your video, you can just click clear global narration and it'll be retracted from your timeline. All right, that's basically it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. See the link in the description to start your free trial and try making a video with Wevi. If anything doesn't make sense, just drop a comment and I'll answer all your questions. This is really the number one tool for anything SaaS product video related. So, there's no need to have After Effects struggles anymore. There's no need to make, AI generated videos that don't look that good. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hopefully it helped you, make some content for your software platform and get more conversions and more sales. Thanks for watching.